What's up, everybody? So here we are today. We're going to take the F350 out. I've been getting a lot of grief from the local people here, some of my buddies, and they're basically telling me the F350 is garbage and it's a Ford built, tough, and all this other crap. So, hey, guess what? We're going to do a video on that today. We're going to take it out and we're going to see what this stock F350 can do. Stay tuned. Yeah, she needs new glow plugs. So we're gonna add that to the list of everything going on with this. So let's break it down before we take this thing out. We're at 363,000 miles on the original engine, 7.3 liter, bone stock, nothing done to it. Needs glow plugs because damn thing doesn't want to start right, even in 60-degree weather. So I let the glow plugs warm up for a little bit, still didn't start. Got to kick it a few times, but you know something? Still gets me around. Hasn't broke down onto me yet. We'll see if it breaks down today. Follow along.
Oh, and the muffler has been cut off though.
Oh yeah, we did cut the muffler off, but that was about it. Well, we got one hell of a turbo whistle here. Pop that door open. Hey, by the way, we can't open the windows either. They don't work. So guess what? This thing's a great service truck and it works really good. But we cut the muffler off. We got a nice little turbo whistle, which I'll add to it, but I know, it's not like a fighter jet like the 6.0, but hey, guess what? 7.3, still bitching.
Go to an adventure.
And I don't know how true it is, but everybody talks about the 7.3 and how it's not that reliable, it doesn't put out a lot of power, and I get that. And then there's other people that are talking about, you know, it's the greatest motor alive. My 2 cents, this is my second 7.3. I love it. It doesn't have the power that a 6.0 has, but it still has really good power on the bottom end for reliability. 6.0, you got a bulletproof. To add on that, from what I heard, also I don't know how true this is, so I'll do a little research on it. I'm gonna dig into it a little bit. They say drive it like you stole it. We're gonna try that today. I can definitely tell the difference between this truck and my Duramax LB7 I had. I've been doing a lot of research on the Fords. They have what's called a Hydra tuner that looks like probably the #1 best tuner everybody has for the bang for the buck for this. So we're gonna look at putting a Hydra tuner into this thing. We're gonna see if we can eke a little more horsepower out of her and a little more reliability. Maybe even gain some damn miles per gallon. Good oil pressure, good voltage, temperature's good. Thing runs strong when it's warmed up, so I can't complain about that. Traded it for a Tahoe. I only had about $1,500 into the Tahoe. Not bad for a good running diesel. do you think the chances are we can actually do a burnout on this thing?
I don't know. 50-50.
50-50?
Yeah.
That's all you give her?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I don't think your tires should be spinning.
What the hell?
We got water in here?
Man, I can't even get that thing to break free. Okay. So, burnout? No good. Can't do that.
Guess not.
Okay, so the results are in. Truck will not do a burnout. But hey, I can lay into it. It has plenty of good pickup. It's still going to be a good, reliable vehicle for setting up as a mobile detailing rig. So stay tuned. We're going to start beefing this up. I want to make this thing do a burnout. I want performance out of it. We're going to Raptor line it. We're going to change the cab mounts. We're going to build it up a little bit and put some reliability, more reliability into it, as well as performance. So she'll perform and be able to do truck pulls if we wanted her to, or just take her out and use her to go detail vehicles. So if you guys like this video, there's more to come. We're going to start testing some of these out and seeing what we can do with some of these. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new to this. Wait for some more information as far as the hydro tuner that we're going to be putting into her, as well as what else are we going to do to her. Probably cold air intake, some other things. So see you later.